Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create. Let's take a look. The effect is nice, so let's start to create that. The first thing is that some of you may think how to create this shape. It's look hard at the first, but it's pretty simple. So let's start. We need to format the background and insert the picture we want to the background. After adding your background, you can apply it to all and everything is done. Now you need to create the effect. So how you can create that? You insert a circle by holding shift. It's important. But as you can see, the problem is that when we insert a picture, you hold Ctrl and Shift, create another one, then another time, then another time. Then press Ctrl A and then make them one. You see the shape is created, but some of you may ask, it has a little differences like these parts are not visible. So is this really this shape or not? Let's take a look. As you can see, this shape is exactly that shape. So how we need to modify it? We need to hold Ctrl and Shift to reduce its size, then paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, and paste it here, and another one in the end. Okay, now press Ctrl A simply and make them one. You see the shape is pretty ready. Now we need to do what? We need to rotate it to look like this. Or you can work with this. So let's set the shape outline to none for now. And change the color to white. You see the shape is ready. Now we need to create this verb. So how? We just simply bring this here. Then insert a rectangle. Then select these two and make them one. Then set the transparency no and color it white. But the white is going to get 44% transparency. Then you can have this shape. So how we have this text is just easy. We have the first text here, and for the second one, you have two ways for creating that. The first one is that you put your name, your slide, okay? Then increase the size you want. 90 is good. Make it bold, centralize. But you see, it's not showing the background. So how we can do that? It's easy. You just go to text option and use whatever you want. But you see, the problem here, we can't get that. So what we should do, we should select these two and combine them. Then another time, make it white and the transparency to 45%. What I changed? Okay, let me make it white. What I'm changing the color and oh, sorry. The problem is I'm just changing the text. I need to go to shape and make it white and 45%. And don't forget to send it to back. And now copy this slide and here bring these two out and bring these two out and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. But you see the problem, this thing is not coming in because we create a mistake and put it out. Let's put it in. Then set the transition to morph as always. Now run it. You see, it's pretty amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.